Hello, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P20 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to make phone call via Google Assistant. In the beginning, enter Google app, tap button in the right corner, go to Settings, Google Assistant, enter Hey Google and voice match, and make sure this function is enabled. Now you can simply say, Hey Google, call Lily.
Calling Lily. Mobile.
And that's the process how to make phone call via Google Assistant. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.